How to set the mobile hotspot band to the most compatible or best performance on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Next, tap on the settings icon. Now in here, go down and tap on connections. Then scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then tap on mobile hotspot. In here, go down and tap on band. Now if you drag this blue button all the way to the left, then it will be the most compatible. So it will support from 2.4 GHz upwards. Otherwise, you can choose 2.4 to 5 GHz or simply 5 GHz preferred or 6 GHz preferred, which is also the best performance for your hotspot. After you have made the selection, tap on the save button, then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.